Hey, this is Lori, and I wanted to show you very quickly how much I have been able to explode my little YouTube channel that I've had since 2016 with just simple PLR video shorts.com. Now all I did was upload some private label right videos onto my channel. I've been doing about 5 a day. I started in December, and I'm just steadily, you can see this growth, and then you see this big explosion here. Now during this time I've got 2.1 million views in December, increased my watch time hours, exploded my subscribers, that doubled my subscribers, and this is just in 2 weeks time. And my revenue has gone from maybe about $40 a month to, so far in December, almost $200 a month. So this is another graph that actually shows that these are the short videos. So as you can see, since December, over 2 million views, over almost 20,000 likes, and almost 3,000 new subscribers, which is incredible. You can see my timeline, December 1st, you can see I had 30 views. I have a couple other little shorts, but these are when I started just uploading these little PLR video shorts, and you can see this huge explosion, and you can see the amount of videos I have been posting per day. So we're getting about 57% viewage, 43 swept away, and as you can see, this one little video has gotten me 1.6 million views. It's just gone crazy, and then these other ones are doing quite well too. And I just bought a couple little PLR video packets, super easy to do, and the last 48 hours you can see I've got over 537,000 views. So this is the website. You can just go check it out. They explain why PLRs are so great. You've got a wide variety of different types of videos, and they're adding more all the time. And they also have a blog here that explains how effective and why PLRs are just taking over, and how easy it is to make money with private label rights. So be sure to go in here and check it out. I appreciate you taking the time to watch. Please like, share, and subscribe. And be sure, if you want to just pump up your channel a little bit, you can't find an easier way to do it than just using some PLR video shorts.